Launching a new crew to the space station, the plan moving forward for Artemis 1, and Webb's new look at a pair of galaxies. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. NASA's SpaceX Crew 5 mission launched to the International Space Station on October 5th. Crew 5 will spend 6 months on the station, conducting research and technology demonstrations that benefit people on Earth and lays the groundwork for future Artemis human exploration missions to the Moon and eventually to Mars. In the wake of Hurricane Ian, teams at our Kennedy Space Center are looking at the November 12th through November 27th timeframe for the next Artemis 1 launch attempt. Artemis 1 updates are available at blogs.nasa.gov/Artemis. A new Webb Space Telescope image of a spiral galaxy and an elliptical galaxy, combined with a Hubble Space Telescope image, is helping researchers study the effects of interstellar dust and help them identify a previously unknown lensed galaxy for the first time. On October 2nd, NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory captured the Sun emitting an X1-class solar flare. X-class flares can impact radio communications and electric power grids on Earth and pose risks to spacecraft and astronauts in space. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.